Welcome to our guide on buying a classic fiberglass fishing boat under 20 feet. There's a special kind of thrill that comes with landing a lunker from a vessel with history. Today, we'll walk you through the essential steps to ensure you make a great purchase. Avoid costly mistakes and ensure you reel in a classic that brings you years of joy on the water. We begin our inspection with the heart of any boat, the hull. Imagine it as the scales of a fish, protecting its most vital organs. Every inch of that fiberglass tells a story. Run your hand along the surface, feeling for any bumps or depressions. Pay close attention to the transom where the engine meets the water. Ensure it's solid with no signs of flex or rot. Inspect latches, cleats, any metal component for rust or corrosion. Even the smallest leak can sink a ship. Be thorough and remember, a well-maintained hull is the foundation of a sound investment. A boat's electrical system is vital to its operation. A faulty system can leave you stranded. Start by inspecting the battery for corrosion or cracks. A weak battery can cause starting problems. Check the gauges to ensure they are functional. Look for fraying or loose connections. A well-maintained system ensures a safe boating experience. Imagine for a moment you're battling a powerful fish, only to find your steering unresponsive. Disaster. That's why we need to pay close attention to the helm, the command center of our aquatic predator. Grab the steering wheel and give it a good turn in each direction. It should move smoothly with no grinding or excessive play. Next, move on to the throttle and shift controls. These should engage smoothly and positively. Inspect the cables closely for any signs of wear or fraying. These cables are the lifeline between you and the engine. If you spot anything questionable, have them replaced. Smooth and responsive controls are essential for a safe and enjoyable boating experience. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. The engine, the throbbing heart of our fiberglass beast. This is where the rubber meets the water. Start with a visual inspection. Look for leaks, corrosion, or damage. Now, for the moment of truth, starting the engine. Listen carefully. Any unusual noises, sputtering, knocking, or smoke are red flags. Don't forget the fuel system. Inspect fuel lines and tank for leaks or damage. A smooth-running engine ensures your classic boat cruises effortlessly. So, you found a boat that speaks to your soul, but remember, our journey isn't over yet. We need to make sure it gets home safely. Begin with the frame. Look for any signs of rust, cracks, or welding repairs. Check the bunks and rollers. Check the tire pressure and look for any signs of cracking or bulging. Finally, inspect the winch, lights, and safety chains. A well-maintained trailer is essential for safe transport, safe travels, and happy boating. Now comes the moment of truth, the culmination of our adventure. You've inspected every nook and cranny, weighed the pros and cons. Is this classic fiberglass beauty the one for you? Consider the overall condition of the boat and the severity of any issues. Remember, a classic boat often requires a bit of TLC. Compare the asking prices to similar boats on the market. Don't be afraid to negotiate, but be fair and respectful. Once you've reached an agreement, it's time to tow your prize home. Congratulations! Now the real fun begins, restoring your boat and creating new memories on the water. Thanks for joining me on this adventure. I hope this guide has given you the knowledge and confidence to find your own classic fiberglass gem. Remember, the thrill of the hunt is just the beginning. The real joy comes from breathing new life into these vintage vessels and sharing unforgettable experiences on the water. So subscribe now and get ready to cast off into the world of classic fiberglass boating. Happy boating. And remember, tight lines and fair winds to you all.